Hello, you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? Alright, we're going right back down that mountain house rabbit hole. Now, as I promised some people in some comments, I went to my local Walmart recently because there's a great way locally to find them. And I found their ice cream sandwiches. Whew. Yeah. Okay, well, let's just get on with this one, okay? Now, for both of these at my local Walmart, I paid $4.97. The vanilla one on Amazon as of, what do we have here, September 4th, 2022, is $3.95. And you can use your EBT card or your SNAP benefits because, well, it's not prepared food. So technically, I guess it's like you take it, you make it kind of thing. So if you need to, you can use that. This one, I paid $4.97. On Amazon, it's going for anywhere between 12 to 33 bucks. Over on Mountain House, both of these are $3 and what do we got here? Yep, 99 cents. They have massive, massive shelf lives. The mint bar, mint chocolate chip, expires May 2025, and the vanilla expires, what is that? July 2025. So that's a long friggin' time. I will tell you, I had to feel through a couple bars because most of them were pulverized, and you'll see why in a second. For you guys who are really, really, truly into all that nutritional stuff, there you go for the vanilla. Freeze frame it, peruse it at your leisure. And there is the mint chocolate chip. Freeze frame it and peruse it at your leisure. Okay, both of these are just one serving. You don't need to do anything. According to them, they are ready to go right out of the package. Alright, let's get it over with. I had one of these before, a long time ago. And I'm a little worried because it did not taste good a long time ago. So, let's get into this one, alright? We're going to go the mint chocolate chip first. That's cute. They have it wrapped up like it's an actual ice cream bar. And of course, we have a big massive break in multiple places. But that's okay. Of course, that's what it looks like. Alright. Let's get into this. Can you hear that? I'm trying to figure out how to phrase this. But let's see if we can get a volunteer. Hey, come here. Take a bite. Did you hear that clip clop? Back up. Come here. Take a bite.
It's like a marshmallow, but hard. Yeah, that was hard for me to bite in.
Okay, so the first one was the brat. The second was the cuteness factor, saying it was really, really hard for her to bite into.
Not that hard, but a little bit.
I will say it like this. The chocolate wafer tasted kind of like it should, like, you know, that ice cream sandwich wafer. But the mint chocolate chip thing in the middle, you ever eat a packing peanut? You know, like on a dare, or you're just stupid, or take a bite of some foam that's packed around like your TV when you get it or something like that? That's what that reminds me of. Horrible. There's that piece I dropped. Horrible, horrible, horrible taste. But it's calories. And I get it. In a bad situation, calories are your friend. Calories will keep you going. Calories will keep you moving. I get it. Of course, I got a crumb on my beard. But still. Sorry. Mint chocolate chip, thumbs down from me. Just absolute thumbs down. And like, I don't know what's going to happen with the vanilla, but I promise to try them both. I really, truly did.
I agree with you guys.
What, baby?
I agree sushi, Daddy, because like the ice cream tastes hot, so you can't even taste the flavor.
You want to try the vanilla?
Yeah, sure.
All right, come here. Once again, wrapped up like an ice cream sandwich. And as the cuteness factor said, it was too hard. She really couldn't taste the flavor.
Yeah, because apparently the ice cream kind of tasted hot to me.
Hot?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Oh, try the vanilla. Damn, little girl. Tell her to take a bite. She's like, "Argh." God, like a little velociraptor over there. Chew it up.
Same thing, hard to bite.
Okay, she says same thing, hard to bite.
It's the same taste. It's the same.
Yeah. Once again, chocolate wafer. Tastes just like how it should on an ice cream sandwich. It has that chocolate part. The filling, this is the only way I can put it.
Maybe
Exact same crap, exact same taste, except it's really over the top vanilla to me. So it basically seems like they made the same exact crap batch for the filling. Dropped like a mint flavor in the other one. Because I really don't see any chocolate chip parts in there. I don't. It has the same consistency, same texture, same everything. All right. I get it. It's freeze-dried ice cream. But I still keep thinking about the stuff like the astronauts had, like the little dipping dots, for lack of a better phrase, and how they had better quality crap than this. But still, once again, it's calories. In an emergency situation, calories are your friend. In the backcountry, calories are your friend. But with that being said, for me, both of these get a huge thumbs down. I would not recommend them. But we are at that part of the video that I love the most. Seriously, I really truly do. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you tried these ice cream sandwiches? Do you like them? I don't. That's my second time with the vanilla one. I'm not doing a third. That's my first with the mint chocolate chip. I'm not doing a second. I'm not. I can skip a dessert. I can pack other stuff in my bag. I won't be going with these. But if I made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It only shows love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Like I said, guys, here is my quick unbagging and taste testing of Mountain House's ice cream sandwiches. Thank you so much for watching this weird one. I hope all of you are having a great day today, a safe day today, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.